Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make tea. First, you need milk. Boom. Second, you need a kettle, that's very important. And a cup. In this case I'm going to use coffee or tea. Both same. Next, you need tea. You know, it's kind of in the title, I expect it. Third, in my case, sugar. Need more sugar? Maybe. One. I'll try how much sugar you like. I like 2.5. A little bit of it. To make the tea actually work, you have to pray to something very British. In this case, I chose Austin Powers, The Spy Who Shagged Me. I will be doing the prayer now. With the kettle on. That'd be a good idea. Oh, powerful Austin Powers, make this cover somewhat decent. And hope you have the next film, but I'm pretty sure you're a bit old. So, chances are you're not. Well, the kettle on. I'll show you how to use a proper kettle one day, but you know, today I'm using this shit. You just have to wait. And wait. Still waiting. There we go. Remember, first way to get that, just do it like that, and boom. Milk in, like so. Pick up the lid, what went on the floor. I don't know why people complain, it's not that hard. When I change my hands around. Bit watery, milky, sorry. You know, I did just spill a little bit. This camera's making the tea look a lot whiter than it is. It's quite nice brown. Don't forget to stir, I forgot about that. And that's how you make cuppa. Fucking hell, it's so hot. Anyway, that's all. I was bored, so I did this video, and that's all. See ya.